So this is Miles again. It's been more than 6 months since the last time that I have uploaded my last video, and if I'm not mistaken, that was our semestral break. Kaya nagkaroon ng time mag-video, and this time it's a little break. Not my break from school, because this girl is already a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Accountancy.
Lazo Miles N, cum laude. She will also receive medals for being a first placer in the PICTA Quiz Bowl Level 1 category, for being Dean's Lister for second semester, Best in OJT, and Best in Research.
Dami naman.
Panghuli po, at pinakamahalaga sa lahat, ibinabalik ko po ang lahat ng karangalan at kapurihan sa Panginoong Diyos. Kundi po dahil sa kanyang mga biyaya at pagtulong, alinman sa mga ito ay hindi po mangyayari ngayon. Itinulot niya, niloob niya, at pinangyari niya po ang lahat ng aking mga ipinagpapanata. I pray that He would allow us to continue our journey and give us the chance to see the purpose of all these victories and be able to magnify Him.
Yes, from Asia Pacific College of Advanced Studies. And I'm wearing our department shirt. I want to thank you guys for being a part of this journey. You've helped so much. Thank you for trusting my teachings, no? Yung mga sinishare ko na learnings ko from the school, from the books that I've been studying. So I hope that this time I'll be able to share with you another set of learnings na makakatulong, hindi lang siya during your undergrad, but you will also be able to remember hanggang sa pag-take ng board examinations. And for this series of videos, we will be talking about specific percentage tax, and these are my key takeaways from Sir Rex Bangawan's teaching. So, haven't mentioned yet that I have been also a scholar of the most prestigious most, ano bang magandang adjective, pinakahinahangaan, pinakatinitingala ngayon na CPA Review Center in our country, which is the Real Excellence Online CPA Review, or the RIO. I was blessed and still blessed because of the undergraduate and professional scholarship that I was able to achieve as I passed their qualifying examination. I never expected that I'll be able to, pero because of the prayers na rin, because of studying, I'm here, and I am very proud to be a RIO scholar. Sobrang bait nilang lahat. So, thank you, RIO. So, let's start studying. So, when we say specific percentage tax, no? Ito yung mga VAT exempt in all cases. Remember, all cases, kapag sinabi nating percentage tax, exempt sila sa VAT, which is the 12% value-added tax. Now, Sir Rex has given an acronym, no? Which is BICAP FLOW, or BICAPFLOW, para mas madaling matandaan yung mga subjects sa specific percentage tax. Now, we will start with letter B. Kapag sinabi natin B, that is talking about the banks and the non-bank financial intermediaries. Pag sinabi natin na mga ganyan, ito yung mga bangko, mga sa non-bank naman, pasok dyan yung money changers, mga pawn shops, ganyan. So, ang basis natin sa tax nila is the gross receipt nila. So, ang tawag, it's the gross receipt tax. Now, papasok dyan yung sa revenue or income nila na itatax natin. we have three divisions. We have yung sa interest, meron sa dividend, tapos others pa. Sa interest, ang focus natin dyan ay mga loans. So, interest sa loans. Pag interest sa mga deposits, ganyan, ang pasok na nun doon sa other revenue nila or other income. Yan, kagaya ng mga gains, mga fees, ganyan. So, dun sa interest, sa loans, depende siya sa maturity. So, if less than 5 years, kapag bank tsaka non-bank, same lang sila. We have 5%. Kapag more than 5 years, we will have 1%. Tapos, kapag naman we have the dividends, kapag dividends, remember, kapag bank and non-bank financial intermediaries, ayan, ng specific percentage tax, we have exemption, so 0 ang percent. So, next natin is other revenue na kanina sinabi natin. Dito na nagkaiba yung bank and non-bank. Sa bank, 7% pa siya, and then 5% for non-bank. Then we have interest income from deposits. It will be under other revenues nga, kagaya sinabi ko kanina. And then, for Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas or the BSP or the Central Bank of the Philippines, hindi siya subject sa gross receipt tax or dito sa specific percentage tax na to. Ngayon, kapag nagkaroon ng pre-termination, say, di ba nga, kanyari, for more than 5 years talaga yung loan na meron, tapos terminate siya before matapos yung 5 years, then you have to do recomputation. So, for that recomputation, you have to refer to your books, ganyan, para mas maintindihan nyo ng mas malalim. Next, we have international carriers. Pag international carriers, yun na yung letter I. You have to remember na ang subject lang dito sa specific percentage tax ay yung mga international carriers na nagsiship ng cargoes. Kapag passengers nila, international to, mga corporations international, kapag passengers nila, exempt. Wala siyang business tax, kahit VAT, wala. Pero percentage tax niya for cargoes, we have 3%, and that is called the common carriers tax. And yun din yung ginagamit natin dito naman sa mga domestic na carriers naman, pero by land ng passengers. So, yun naman yung dapat mong tandaan. Kapag domestic naman na carriers, dapat by land, and passengers, dapat yung sakay niya, 3% din yung tax niya, and that is called the common carriers tax. Next, for letter C, ayun nga, the common carriers. Na-discuss ko na kanina on transport of passengers, ayan, domestic corporations or individuals by land. And then, additional, for common carriers natin, meron tayo kasi, diba, ng mga common carriers. Sabi ko kanina, yung land lang. By land, passenger yung sakay, domestic, 3% yon. Pero, if hindi na passengers yung sakay niya, pero by land, tapos domestic, vatable na yon. And so as with other carriers, by air or by sea, remember, if domestic, by air or by sea, laging VAT yon, kahit passenger, kahit cargo. Basta by air, by sea, domestic, vatable yon. And then meron tayong mga exemptions dito sa common carriers tax, or ayun, yung 3% natin ng common carriers tax. Exempt dito yung kalesa, yung pedicab, yung mga bangka, ayan. They are for mere subsistence lang kasi. Kaya hindi sila sinasama doon sa mga chinachargean natin ng 3% na common carriers tax. Ang normally dyan, yung mga passenger jeepneys, yung mga taxi, ganyan. Yung mga operators ng passenger vehicles. Now we have to move on with letter A, which is for amusement taxes. For amusement taxes, tina-charge natin to sa mga places of exhibitions. Specifically, yung mga places ng exhibitions ng basketball, ng boxing, ng yung mga cockpits, cabarets, and clubs. Both yung day and night clubs. For cabarets, we're talking about yan, mga disco, mga KTV bars, gay bars, and yung sa may cockpits is sabongan eh. And then, we have the last one, which is for high alay and racetracks. With those four, you have to remember ng ages ng tao para hindi ka malito, hindi mo siya malimutan. For the first one, you have sa boxing, 10%. Ang sabi ni Sir Rex yan, tandaan mo lang, kung ano yung age ng mga bata na madalas na makipagsuntukan sa daan. And meron tayong exemption dyan for boxing muna, exhibition. So, exemption is kapag one of the contenders is a Filipino and it is a world or oriental championship. And number 3, kapag yung promoter is a Filipino or at least 60% or more na Filipino corporation. So, ganun siya. And then for the boxing, yun. For the basketball naman, should be 15%. No, susunod siya sa mga nakikipagsuntukan, yung mga mahilig naman daw mag-basketball. Usually 15 years old. So, we use here 15%. For the cockpit, cabaret, and clubs, we use 18%. So, remember na lang, tatlong C, no? Cockpit, cabaret, and club. So, they are looking like 6. So, add mo lang yun, 18 yun siya. So, 18%. And for the last one, for high ally and for racetracks, usually kasi all this ang gumagawa. So, remember, 30% ang ginagamit natin dyan. And then, for letter P, we have, for PSE sales of stocks, we have the Philippine Stock Exchange. So, PSE siya. Ang focus natin dito is the sale of an investor through the PSE. Not directly sa buyer, not initial public offering, but through the PSE by an investor. So, this is 60% of 1% of the gross selling price. Yun yung percentage na gagamitin, and that is being called the stock transaction tax. Next, we have, if dealer in securities yung nagbenta, that is vatable. Ayan. Kapag IPO kasi, or the initial public offering that I have mentioned earlier, that is stock transaction tax, pero wini-withhold siya, tapos nire-remit ng stock broker. Tapos, kapag directly kay buyer ka nagbenta, no, we are using the, capital gains tax. Ayan. Then, we have the franchise grantees naman ng TV or the regio. Ne. For TV or regio, this is for letter F, na franchise grantee. So, this is franchise tax. For TV or regio, we use 3%. But, we have to remember here, kapag TV or regio, meron tayong, threshold na 10 million. So, once mag-exceed ng 10 million yung gross receipts nitong TV and regio or regio, magbavat ka na. That is vatable, and that is never revocable. And then, for water and gas, no, yung mga utilities, water and gas, only 2%. So, water is too big, so 2% is what we use. And walang threshold for water and gas. Tapos, next we have letter L for life insurance. Life insurance lang siya. So, 2% na premiums tax. And, applicable siya for health insurance, for accident insurance kasi related naman sa life yun. And other insurances will be subject to VAT na. Kapag meron kang insurance, no, you have it from an agent, no, it is 4%. And then kapag si agent, ang ginawa is naka-report kay BIR, so 2%. And then kapag nag-direct ka from a foreign insurer, the rate will be 5%. Pero generally, it's 2% premiums tax. Next, we have for letter O, we have the overseas communication tax. So ito ay para lang sa mga calls originating from the Philippines and the destination is abroad. Otherwise, kung Philippines to Philippines lang din naman ang tawag, VAT yun. And then from abroad, if it is paid in dollars, it will be zero rated, VAT yun. If not, then exempt siya. Yun yung letter O. Ang overseas communication tax, no, 10% yun on calls, no, sa dispatch ng messages. And ang exemption dito, meron ulit bagong acronym, which is the DING, no, the D is for diplomatic calls, I is for international organization calls, N is for news services, and then J is for government calls. So, DING siya. Exempt siya from overseas communication tax. For the last one, you have W, winnings tax. This is an addition to the amusement tax or additional amusement tax. Pero hindi siya applied sa boxing, sa basketball, at saka sa cockpits, cabarets, and clubs. Pero applicable siya to high ally and racetrack. So, this is 10% of the winnings, that is net of cost of the winning ticket. Ibig sabihin, tatanggalin mo muna yung cost ng ticket. For example, the ticket na nanalo is binili mo for 5,000 and kung napanalunan mo is 20,000. So, 15,000 lang yung itatax mo doon ng 10%. That is net of the cost of the winning ticket. Pero may exemption dito sa paggamit natin ng 10%, which is yung mga gumagamit ng combinations like yung mga double forecast, trifecta, querela, exacta, and perfecta. They use 4% na rate. Ayan. Pero ano pa din siya, sa winnings net of cost pa din ng winning ticket. So, ayan, that's all. For additional notes, we will move further, pero we will talk about na the general percentage tax because there are changes that are just applied last July 1. So, nagkaroon kasi ng change before ang ating percentage tax, general, hindi specific na general percentage tax, we use 3%. But from July 1, 2020 to June 30, 2023, we have used 1% percentage tax, and that is brought about then by the effects of the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, it is returned back to 3%, no, starting July 1, 2023, and that's in effect na ngayon ulit. So, the filing and yung SAR return natin, ang ginagamit natin for percentage taxes is the BIR form 2551Q, and that is being filed on or before the 25th day of the month following the close of the taxable quarter. Ayan, so I hope that this will help you guys. Bye-bye. Stay safe.